New fancy stone. Imperial Fancy Stone. As heritage craftsmanship gets repurposed by designers to create distinctive contemporary looks, the beautiful Imperial Fancy Stone perfectly encapsulates the modern vintage style. It is based on the famous Asscher Cut, which is ranked among the world's top 10 most desirable diamond cuts. Not only does it boast increased brilliance, it also brings a fresh sense of luxury and fine jewelry elegance. The Imperial combines brilliantly with other shapes. Select gem-inspired colors to create classic jewelry embellishments. It's especially suitable for engagement and college ring looks. Alternatively, mix it up with other fancy stones in different effects for a bold, cutting-edge statement. Available in 8 colors, 6 effect combinations, and 3 sizes, you won't find this special crystal cut available anywhere else.